Living on Earth, it might feel like we're at the center of the universe, but in reality, everything is far more complex. Our solar system is filled with various celestial bodies, planets, comets, satellites, and of course, asteroids. To many, these might seem like nothing more than large chunks of space debris that, for example, get in the way of characters in sci-fi films. But the reality of their size and significance is much more fascinating. To help you better visualize these space rocks, I've combined scientific facts with a bit of imagination. But first, what exactly is an asteroid? Not every space object is classified as one. To qualify, an object must orbit the Sun, have an irregular shape, and lack an atmosphere. Today, hundreds of thousands of celestial bodies meet these criteria in our solar system, most of which reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, or in Jupiter's orbit. Although asteroids are smaller than planets, that doesn't mean they're insignificant. Let's start small. One of the tiniest asteroids ever recorded was named 2008 TC3. With a diameter of just 4.1 meters, it was slightly taller than a basketball hoop. In 2008, it exploded in Earth's atmosphere 37 kilometers above the Nubian Desert in Sudan, fortunately causing no harm. Another small asteroid, 2010 TD54, had a diameter of about 5 meters, roughly the height of an average giraffe. Though larger than 2008 TC3, it posed no threat when it passed by Earth in 2010. Then there's 2014 RC, which, at 22 meters in diameter, was slightly larger than the Chelyabinsk meteor, famous for injuring over 1,500 people when it exploded over Russia in 2013. Fortunately, 2014 RC passed peacefully, and it's expected to return in September 2101. Moving up in size, asteroid 2004 FH has a diameter of about 30 meters, the same height as the famous Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro. If this asteroid had entered Earth's atmosphere, it would likely have exploded in the air, releasing energy equivalent to hundreds of kilotons of TNT. But not all asteroids are small. The asteroid Apophis, for example, measures a staggering 370 meters or 1,214 feet in diameter, taller than the Eiffel Tower. In 2004, scientists were concerned it might collide with Earth in 2036, but later observations showed that the threat is minimal. Next, we have asteroid Bennu, which is about 510 meters or 1,673 feet in diameter and has a shape reminiscent of a roughly peeled potato. If that seems large, consider 116273 Ryugu, a rubble pile asteroid that's over a kilometer wide and relatively young at only a few million years old. Even bigger is 4179 Tutatis, which stretches 5.4 kilometers or 3.4 miles and resembles a giant ginger root. Its mass is likely made of various fragments fused together. Asteroid 3200 Phaethon, with a diameter of 5.8 kilometers or 3.6 miles, is notable for its eccentric orbit, bringing it close to the Sun. One of the largest asteroids, 433 Eros, is a massive 16.8 kilometers or 10.4 miles across. For perspective, that's twice the height of Mount Everest. And 1125 China, another large asteroid, is about 26 kilometers or 16 miles in diameter, as tall as 3 stacked Kanchenjunga mountains. Moving to giants, asteroid 15. Eunomia measures a colossal 268 kilometers or 166 miles, roughly the distance between Berlin and Hamburg. Yet even that pales in comparison to the largest asteroids. The enormous 2 Pallas, at 512 kilometers or 318 miles in diameter, could easily cover Iceland. Meanwhile, 4 Vesta, slightly larger at 525 kilometers or 326 miles, is considered a rocky protoplanet from the early solar system. Finally, we arrive at the largest of all Ceres. Once classified as an asteroid, Ceres is now considered a dwarf planet due to its immense size. With a diameter of 945 kilometers or 587 miles, Ceres could cover most of northern Poland and Germany. It's the largest object in the asteroid belt and, incredibly, only 3.7 times smaller than Earth's moon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with future releases. Exciting content awaits you.